What's up, geometry? Welcome back. This time we're going to be practicing our transformations. So let's get right to it. So this is the problem that was on your handout. And as you can see, I've already written down the coordinates of the quadrilateral. So the question is asking us to write down the new ordered pairs after performing the translation x, y, and then we have x plus 7 and then y minus 2. So really quickly, let's just remind ourselves of what this means. So plus 7 means I'm actually going to be moving to the right 7. And minus 2 means I'm going to be moving down 2. So let's go ahead and do that on each of these dots. So I'm moving right 7. Let's go right 7 from M. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then down 2, 1, 2. So here is my new M, and we're going to call that M prime. And we're going to move R in the same way. So that's going to put R right here. So this is R prime. And then C prime would be over here. And Y prime would be right next to it. So here is where your shape should be. So let's say that you don't have graph paper and you can't just count it out like this. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to use the rule that they gave us. And we're going to just do the quick arithmetic on each of these coordinate, on each of these ordered pairs. So let's say we have -5, and I'm going to add 7 to that. And then my new y, I'm going to take that original 3, subtract 2 from that. So I'm just basically taking this part, the plus 7 and the minus 2, and I'm doing it to the ordered pair. So what that's going to give me, -5 plus 7 is 2, and then 3 minus 2 is 1. So that's my new point. That's M prime. And it does match up with what I drew in the graph paper there. So let's do the rest. So let's do R. So I have -4. I'm going to add 7 to that. 2, subtract 2 from that. So let's see, -4 plus 7. That's going to be 3. 2 minus 2 is 0, and that's R prime, which matches up with what I have on the diagram. And then again, -4 plus 7, -1 minus 2. -4 plus 7, that's 3. -1 minus 2 is -3, so that's going to be C prime. And then for Y, we have -5 plus 7, and then -1 minus 2. So -5 plus 7, that's 2. -1 minus 2 is -3, and that's going to be our Y prime. And so there we go.